In this video, I'm going to talk about something that's probably hurting your SEO. You don't even realize it's happening, and it's hurting your ability specifically to rank #1 in Google for the main thing that you offer that drives all your revenue. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of businesses that are doing this really well so you can compare that against your own business. And then I'm going to give you a few tips for how to make sure and audit your own website to make sure this is happening correctly. What am I talking about? Well, Google and business owners have a disconnect. What is that disconnect? Well, if you're a small business owner, you want everybody to know everything that you offer. That's why you make this mistake. But if you're Google, you want to understand the main thing that that business does. And here's where the disconnect happens, because what happens is Google tries to look at your website and say, what is the main thing this business does? A business owner looks at their website and says, put everything that I possibly do on the homepage of my website so that I get found for everything. It doesn't work. What actually you need to do is you need to ensure that you are focusing your homepage on the main thing that you do that drives the most revenue for you. And I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, Keegan, but then somebody comes to my website, they don't know I offer all these other great things. Here's what I want you to think about. How do people get to your website? Through Google, right? That's how they find you. If you try to put everything on your website, Google says, I don't know what the main thing is that they do. I'm not going to rank them as well because I don't know what their main thing is that I should always bring them up for. So less eyeballs go to your website to see all those different things that you offer. Versus if you make your homepage very specific about the main revenue driver, main service that you offer, Google says, aha, I know the exact category for this business. I'm going to bring them up #1 for that, or at the very top or close to the top for that, which gets you more traffic, which means then those eyeballs go to those other service pages and see the other things that you offer. Let me show you an example of what I mean. So this is the homepage of a cleaning business. Look at how focused this website is. As I scroll through, everything is about deep home cleaning services, perfect house maintenance services, eco-friendly cleaning, commercial and office cleaning. Everything says we are a cleaning business. Even when you go to the service pages, they're just differentiated along the different types of cleaning that they do. I'm going to go over this business just to say, even if your website's not the most beautiful, it's very clear, homepage could use a lot of work, but it's very clear that this is a garden center. The photos are garden center, plants we offer, gardening products, decor and outdoor living, services, it's all garden center focused. Now, the mistake that I often see on websites, I'm not going to pick on anybody here because I know people are trying their best, is that they plaster their homepage with all different types of things that they do. Because every business has side products, cross-sells, add-ons, right? You could be a retail business, but you also have services that you offer like delivery or estimates or things like that. But if you try to funnel all that and put all that on there, it's too confusing. Your website needs to have a focus. By having a focus, you're telling Google, here's the main thing I want to come up for. Your services pages can be detailed pages about the other things that you offer. Don't try to cram that all together on the homepage. So here are a few tips for you when you look at your own website and make sure you're following this. Pick the primary service or product you actually want to rank for, make it the focus of your content. Now, on your content throughout your site, keep it cohesive. Don't just clutter your site, fill it up, and dilute yourself with a bunch of side topics that don't really matter. So don't go and write a blog about your passion project because that's going to just confuse Google about your main category. Keep your content all aligned. Focus on that primary category that you want. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more great tips on SEO. Your website's obviously an important part of that. The exact term is the degree of focus of your website. That's a ranking factor, and that's what we talked about here today. So does your website stay focused? If not, that's something you need to fix and align it with your main driver of revenue. That'll help drive more traffic to your site, which will ultimately help lift the sales of your add-on services as well. I'm going to put a link to the LinkedIn post where I got this from someone named Darren Shaw. Very smart. SEO has a company called White Spark with SEO tools. I'll put the links down below too, so check them out, and gratitude for them for this LinkedIn post that just happened. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.